Hello shoppers, I just picked up the new Insta360 X6 and I also grabbed a couple of accessories to complete the setup, the lens protector and the invisible selfie stick tripod. So let's take a quick look at everything. Starting with the X6 itself, right out of the box, I really like how compact the camera is, especially considering that you are getting a full 360-degree camera. You have the lenses on both sides, a very nice touch screen, and overall it feels like a really solid and well-built camera. Because of those 360 lenses stick out and are pretty exposed, I also picked up the lens protectors. For me, these are almost a must, especially since I plan on using this camera outdoors and for action footage. So you can see how easy it is to install. Nice and protected. And finally, I got the invisible stick, but the tripod version. This is probably the accessory I'm going to use the most. You can use it as a regular selfie stick, extend it for those 360 shots, and then open the bottom and use it as a tripod. And of course, when you're shooting in 360, the selfie stick can disappear from the final footage, giving you those really cool floating camera shots. Main reason for getting the Insta360 X6 is actually to film skating and other action footage. With a 360 camera, I can capture everything around me and worry about choosing the angle for afterwards instead of trying to perfectly frame every shot while I'm skating. So far, first impressions are really good. The X6 is compact, the accessories give me the protection and flexibility I was looking for, and it feels like a great little setup to start filming with. Now it's time to actually take it out and see what I can do, not only for skating, but for other action shots. So give it a 5 stars.